there I was, and I'm just making my way across here, and you'll visit some British cars. It's 1 o'clock. I hope that a lot of them have not taken off, but it would be cool. Oh, obnoxious Harley. All right, so you've just been vlogging?
You bet.
And what are your favorite cars here?
I like this teal colored TR8.
Yeah.
Very nice. Supposedly that's the president of the British Car Club's car.
Of Saskatoon or Saskatchewan?
I believe just Saskatoon, I'm not sure. And this one.
Right.
It's a TR6 Spitfire, I believe it's a Triumph. Very nice, very nice.
All right.
Yeah, there's a lot of the same cars from last year also.
All right, let's check this out.
Check it out.
Oh.
Nice paint.
I don't think it'll fit me though.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll fit me? I'm 6'4", and you know
Well, you just have to extend the seat back.
Well,
the trunk there.
I'm a chicken wing less than 400 pounds, so
Take the seat out.
Yeah.
I've seen that in the movies.
Yeah. Well, my brother-in-law, he was 6'3".
Yeah?
He had an Austin Mini. He took the front seat out and sat in the back seat and the
Oh,
drive it.
that's funny. Oh my lord. Oh, Harley be gone. So this is pretty cool.
It is.
But this isn't British, though. This is German.
There was a nice. Oh, here's a T-Bird coming, Scott. Check that out.
A T-Bird.
Oh, sorry.
All right, so it's like a classic car, but not really a British car weekend. Because the British car weekend used to be at the Beswer.
Yeah.
Right. Poo color brown. I've seen this one. I have seen this one parked down from the street where I live. This is pretty cool. Good, sir. You?
Hanging in there.
Keeping out of trouble?
Yeah, pretty much.
What have you seen here that you liked?
My car.
Which is what?
Up there.
Oh, show it to me.
I'll show it to you. RJ was just here taking the video.
Oh, yeah, I saw him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah. He shows the John back at PI. My car.
Yeah.
There.
Right here. What color is it?
Great.
It does have a gray catch name or
No, I don't know. Just great, man.
just gray man?
Just great, man, as far as I know.
All right.
Cloudy gray.
Cloudy gray.
Just like everybody there now.
All right.
Sorry, sir. Cloudy gray and rainy nights.
Rainy night.
Yeah, get a shot of that back. That's the best part of the R10. I always like the R10.
Yeah.
But then, you don't look at the fireplace when you start the fire. That's right. That's right. The fire that makes the difference.
Here's a fancy one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whose is this?
Mine.
This is yours?
Yeah.
I don't think I could fit in it though, but it still looks cool.
Be a hard job fitting. I got a Mercedes.
It would be a little full, yeah.
Not mine.
But I heard the MGs. How's their electric work?
No, it was a shit.
The what?
What else do you want to know?
Yeah, well, yeah, they always have that reputation though. They look sleek.
Well, I don't know. Like when I bought this, I didn't know nothing about British cars, and I didn't know I wasn't supposed to tour with it. So I brought it home, jumped in it, and went to Ontario and back.
There you go.
And everyone just thought you were the.
They thought I was crazy. What are you doing?
I thought you were cool.
And you still think that?
But oh yeah. Well.
Guy asked me when I was looking to buy. He says,
Yeah.
"Are you looking for a show car or a driver?" I said, well, I
they're both.
understand they all come from the factory with round tires. So they're all drivers.
Yes.
Should not be show cars.
No, but have some fun. Life's too short.
That's right. That's why it don't have fancy paint like that blue one down there.
Right. Or that,
If
yeah.
I get a stone chip, I don't cry.
You know what? Yeah.
You do. I heard you.
Uh-huh.
I heard you.
Oh, cool bananas. Look at that one.
That's right. With my bikes, they're all the
Get in, shut up, and hold on. Here's a neat, cool one.
And you're near water too, which is
Yeah, the 72 originally came with a rubber one. Yeah. And it wasn't very nice. So that's the wrench.
This is cool. This is classic.
What the hell of a guy you are.
Wonder what the ceiling's like.
put that away when you stand up next.
It's well put together. Well kept.
That's well written. It's a well written.
Brand, so then
But look what happened. Yeah.
it'll be fine.
Little picnic up in Scotland you can have. How you doing? Which is your car? Yours is the white one. What year is it? 58. And yours is a...
Oh, mine's the red Jag down there.
Oh, okay. Red Jag. 58. I'll just take my camera inside and have a look. Is that all right? Okay, I was going to grab a look of it inside. All right. Thank you. How you doing?
So far, so good.
Glad to hear that.
Really good. But it had about 2 foot of dry height.
This guy's got cousins, you know, because my hometown, I didn't know that.
This is a beauty. Whose is this? Who does this car belong to?
Don Hamilton.
Don Hamilton.
Is he?
Oh, this is a Rover. What year is it?
It's more for 67.
Oh, the year I was born. The year I was born. Great things came out the year I was born. Besides me. So, listen, a couple years ago, it was at the British Car Show was at the Bessborough Hotel, right?
Yeah, and it's gonna be this year too. It's on the side of the window there.
Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, it's returned to the Bessborough.
Every year it's gonna be the 18th year now.
Sunday, July 23rd, at the Bessborough. Okay. I was just assuming that it changed locations. I thought maybe Bessborough Hotel's a classic spot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Any pearls of wisdom that you'd like to proclaim?
Well, on July 23rd is the day before I fly to Surrey PI.
Is what?
The day before I fly to Surrey PI.
You're gonna fly to Surrey PEI.
Right there, man.
I didn't. That Surrey does have an airport. So.
No, I'm gonna land behind. I'm gonna land in the parking lot of the IGA.
Alrighty.
Well, you know they're going to look at it cross-eyed for a minute. And you'll get either one of two things. There, or, hey, that's cool.
First thing an officer out of the car. First thing a fictional officer.
Well, that's good news. I'm glad that the official British Car Show is at the Besborough Hotel. Besborough is a classic spot to have the car show. Anyways, vlog est fini.